Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your work, backup libraries, and export any current XMLs. Once done, quit Final Cut Pro and stop helper processes in Activity Monitor so files aren't locked. Make sure to record plugin names and serials. You'll reinstall them later. Now navigate to /movies and copy libraries, then open Applications and confirm Final Cut Pro is not running. These steps prevent data loss and ensure a clean reset. They make the later file removals safe. You'll now clear the state that causes problems. Remove the preferences PLIS to reset settings and clear caches to free corrupted render files. Once finished, delete the render and analysis folders inside your libraries and the app caches in /library/caches. Make sure to also remove motion templates and third-party plugin folders so no incompatible add-ons persist. After this cleanup, restart your Mac to flush system caches and ensure Final Cut Pro launches. You should reinstall Final Cut Pro from the App Store and sign in with your Apple ID. That guarantees the latest stable build. Once installed, import backed up libraries and relink offline media if required, then rerun analysis and render projects. Make sure to reinstall verified plugins one at a time to isolate problems. If something still fails, try resetting NVRAM or create a new user account to test whether the issue is system-wide. This single troubleshooting step often reveals permission or profile-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.